The Good-for-Nothing Button by Charise, Mericle, Harper. A puppet show adapted from the book by Forsyth County Public Library. Hey!
Hi!
Look what I have!
Wow! Wowie! Wow! Wow! I cannot believe it! What is it?
It is a button.
A red button. Red is my favorite.
What does it do?
Nothing!
Nothing?
Yes, nothing. Watch. See? Nothing!
May I press the button?
Yes, you may press the button.
Wow!
Wow, what?
The button is so easy to press, it surprised me.
A surprise is not nothing.
That is true.
May I press the button?
Yes, you may press the button.
Yay! Button, button, button. I am pressing the button. Oh, the button did not surprise me.
See? The button does nothing.
But now you are sad.
That is true.
And sad is not nothing.
Wait, the button cannot make you sad. The button does nothing.
May I try it again?
Okay, fine.
Here goes nothing. Wow!
The button surprised you again.
It did.
The button makes us
Happy! Happy! Happy button!
happy button,
Happy button!
Stop, stop, stop! The button does nothing. See? I am pressing the button. And nothing is happening. It is a good-for-nothing button.
Uh-oh.
The button is making him mad.
The button is not making me mad. I will prove it. I am pressing the button. Look, I am not mad. I am relaxed.
Now the button is making him calm.
What? Ugh! This button cannot make me calm or mad or happy or surprised or scared or icky or anything else.
We know what the button does.
The button makes you funny.
Funny? Funny? I like being funny.
Funny is fun.
Let's all be funny.
Funny, 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 funny. Button, 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 button. Wow, that button does everything.
That is true.
What should we do now?
More nothing.
Nothing is my favorite.